of the role playing of the other numbers of one and two. And these are the main characters. Planet Panalaya and Henry Sayo as the soldiers of Verbal. Next is Rey Harabato, who is the lovely lady in the King's Spear. Then Joe Domingo as the hermit, and Raymond Bermudez as the old man. Then the king who is played by Edgar Timbang, and the queen who is played by Merlin Caballo. And the legendary Adarna bird, Selma Rasica. Next are the three noble princes, who are Glenn Camillo as Don Pedro, and Edward Flor as Don Diego, and last but not the least, Glenn Madronio as Don Juan. Now let's move on to the extras, and they are Carmela Velasco, Micaela Perfecto, Daniela Hernando, Daniel Clemencia, Alisa Bilason, Dea Galliano, as the Beast. Now onto the backstage crew. First, the propsmen, and they are Micah Solomon, Diana Quiapo, Romel Echeta, Gabriel Rodolfo, Excel Gasas, Brad Muñoza, Basil Amulacion, and Karin Tignatise, and Emma Arya Cornelio. Next, the background designers are Gilla Revilla and Althea Villanueva. And the technical director, Paula Venezuela. And the stage managers, who are Efrain Solano and Ellie Cabral. And lastly, the production managers and directors. Jaymar Memeracion as the assistant production manager, and Chelsea Sagis as the production manager. Kim Crisostomo as the assistant director, and the director as me, Kyle Bautista. And we are the cast and stage crew of the Adarna Bird 1 Exodus. Wow.